Can AI outsmart humans in daily tasks? Today, we're putting it to the test. We'll see AI and humans compete in cooking, drawing, and creative writing. First up, the Creative Writing Challenge. AI has 2 minutes to write a story. Now, let's see how our human contestant fares in the same time. Results are in. Which story did you like better? Let's find out. Next, we have the Drawing Challenge. AI will create a digital masterpiece. Meanwhile, our human will draw the same concept in just 5 minutes. Let's watch. Which artwork captures your creativity better? Let's compare. Moving on to the Cooking Challenge. Can AI generate the perfect recipe? Our human will freestyle the same dish. Let's see how they stack up. Final results from the taste test. Who's the culinary champion? Now for the Decision-Making Challenge. AI plans a perfect weekend. Let's see if our human can plan a better weekend getaway. Time for the verdict. Who did it better, AI or humans? Share your thoughts. Is it best to combine both for daily tasks?